a cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got tips, some of us don't. Big nose contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a video, bro. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my
guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit sent over from LuvMe Hair. They sent over one of their PreMax wigs by the name of Supernatural Hairline Blonde Mix Black Loose Wave Wig. So this is how Miss Girl is looking straight out of the box, and as you can see, she does have that black base along with those highlights. I wouldn't necessarily call them blonde. I mean, well, I guess I would probably say that they're like a golden brownish blondish color. Yeah. As you can also see, she does come pre-styled with these nice curls, but I know me, 9 times out of 10 I am going to go ahead and brush these curls out and then recurl her myself. Now this unit does come in multiple lengths of 14 all the way down to 24 inches. I received the 20 inch. It also comes in multiple cap sizes of small, medium, and large. If I'm thinking correctly, I received the large cap size, and well, I mean, we all know why. It's because I believe I'm a part of the big head gang. Now, this unit is a 5x5 closure, meaning you are going to get that 5 inches going across the front and then 5 inches going straight back for the parting space. And then, I don't know if you could tell, but yes, it has also been pre-bleached along with having pre-cut lace and being a pre-plucked unit as well. So all of the hard stuff has been done for you. Now the cap construction for this unit comes with 4 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side, and then 1 in the very center of the unit. It also comes with adjustable straps here in the back and then a pre-attached elastic band, or security band rather, that you can adjust. Seeing as how all of the hard stuff has already been done for me when it comes to this unit, I feel like the only thing that's going to take me the longest is like recurling the unit, but I ain't got nothing but time.
Tell me if you still love me. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? I'm telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this home. Then again, I could be drunk. Baby, I don't wanna sound righteous. I got 20 bitches sucking like Dysons. I just can't even need my name roll of dice since I picked. She ain't even really my type, and now here she been losing herself to the night shift. She been losing herself, and I guess, oh girl, I guess, yeah. And you been fighting for your shot, and you been searching for your spot. Girl, I feel it, yeah. Girl, I feel it, yeah. Oh, you think you got your groove, but you want someone like you. Tell me if you still love. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? I'm telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this home. Again, I could be drunk.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from LuvMe Hair. We're going to start with my cons first, and the first one is going to be the sizing of this cap. I did ask for a size large, and I don't know, to me personally, this is not really feeling like a large. It could possibly be, but if it is, I'm gonna need y'all to make the larges a little bit bigger. To me, it's more so fitting, not necessarily like a medium, but not necessarily like a small. I want to say maybe like right in the medium, like a schmedium, if you will. I was able to get the unit on, and I'm not gonna say she's sitting comfortably. She is squeezing just a little bit, but I could possibly get like an hour or 2 wear out of her. Most LuvMe Hair units fit me just fine, so that's why it's really hard for me to say that yes, this is a size large cap size. Like I said, it's more so fitting like a schmedium. My next con for this unit is that I am getting a little bit of shedding here and there. It's more so the like blonde streaks that are coming out here and there. Again, it's nothing like excessive or anything like that, but I am noticing it, so therefore I thought I would mention it. Now let's go ahead and move into my pros for this unit, and the first one is going to be, I really appreciate the fact that this unit basically came ready to wear. The fact that this unit did come with pre-bleached knots, pre-plucked hairline, and pre-cut lace. If you are someone who has a smaller size head, you can literally throw this unit on, finesse the curls just a little bit, and then you'll be out the door. Now I did go in and cut a few layers here and there, and that's just because, I don't know, I don't really like units that are just like one length and then are fully curled. It just doesn't give the unit like any personality or anything like that. But when you add in those few little layers here and there, it's just like, okay, she got some body to her and whatnot. And I don't know, I like it. Another pro for this unit is the highlights. They were done so well. I've said it before, probably like a while ago, but I don't like when units come with like highlights and you can tell that there's like dark roots and then it's a highlight. These have a nice gradient effect, and I don't know, they're just really, girl, just make me happy. I feel like whenever a unit comes with highlights and like there's a defined line in between the dark rooting and the highlights, I don't know, I just feel like that can make a unit look very cheap. This doesn't look cheap. I am absolutely obsessed with the length of this unit. Don't get me wrong, y'all know I love me a good 24-inch unit. But I don't know, it's been something lately about the 22, the 20s, sometimes the 18-inch units that's just really doing it for me. And I feel like this just like, it's not doing too much, but yet it still looks very put together, very pretty. I feel like I could wear this in a professional setting. I ain't going nowhere professional because I'll be at home with my kiddos. Or I could also wear this out like, I don't know, I don't go to clubs and stuff either. Y'all, I am a homebody. This unit could be worn anywhere though. Keep in mind that this is a closure unit, so therefore, yes, your edges will be out on the side. I mean, for me personally, it's more so my sideburns that are out, but because the unit for the most part is black and then my hair is black, or 1B, whatever you want to call it, if the wind was to blow, and because my edge control is working overtime right now, you probably wouldn't be able to notice too much. Despite the unit not fitting as comfortably as I would like it to, I would still highly recommend this unit just because she's absolutely gorgeous. If you guys plan on picking up this unit, don't forget to use my code Dotson. That'll save you 28% off of their entire website. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, they're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.